I really think yung similarities nila naglalay dito. Yan, sa ganyan, yung rim runs, speed, aggression, fast break and points off turnovers.
Pak Sanhan with a triple from the corner and Harvey almost getting a block. Iba talaga pag inspired. Pinakita lang sa TV yung girlfriend nitong si Harvey and Harvey's able to score back-to-back baskets including a triple right here. Bam!
Sabi ni Pagsanhan sa akin, hindi pala maganda yung 3-point percentage na. If you're going to take outside shots like that, better take it when naka-establish na yung big men mo sa rebounding areas.
Valencia sideboards that shot. Generals are running. Pak Sanhan. He's gonna take off. Harvey Pak Sanhan. You have to have impeccable timing. Umusog yung bantay. And it's with EAC again. Balik ang bola kay Ochavo. Bounce pass. Pak Sanhan! Power move! Pak Sanhan!
Ako hininga sa making sure to make that basket to end the drought of Arellano.
Pak Sanhan mula sa kanto. Harvey Pak Sanhan for 3.
Binura naman agad ni Pagsanhan.
Na makuha yun naman.
From the get-go, they've been living and dying with the 3-point shots. Regardless if they're not making most of it, they're still going to take them.
So this is a 4-0 start for EAC.